Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to add fingerprint sensor on Moto G37. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on security and privacy. Scroll down and click on device unlock and click on fingerprint. Enter phone pin. After enter phone pin, add fingerprint and click on got it. You will see. And click on done. You will see. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.